Hello folks, welcome to Sauce Pro. As this is an introduction video, I will explain you what is Salesforce, what is a cloud computing model, what are CRMs. So let me introduce myself first. I am Bharat Kumar. I have 10 years of experience in this industry and I am a certified Salesforce developer. Now, being a beginner, you would be thinking how you can start with the Salesforce. So, to start with the Salesforce, you have to understand that it is a cloud based system that you can access 24/7. What is a cloud based system? In the cloud based system, we have everything offshore, we don't have anything physically present at our end. It comes in a layer like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In this, infrastructure is a base layer. For example, if we create a virtual machine, add storage to that, or add a load balancer to that, then that is infrastructure as a service. And above that, we install softwares like MySQL, web servers like Apache, Nginx. So that is called platform as a service. So infrastructure is the base layer. On above that, we have platform, and on the platform we code our softwares. Like with the help of programming language, we can make our custom softwares. For example, you create a website on AWS, that is software as a service. A basic example of software as a service is Gmail, any email website which allows you to send email, receive email, or any social networking site or a e-commerce website that allows you to order. So these all are example of software as a service. Now CRM is also a cloud-based system that is hosted on third party. So what is CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Uh, CRM was basically introduced to provide a better experience to the customers with the help of their data. An organization maintains the data on cloud, and then on the basis of data, they perform different operations, different tasks. Like for example, if they want any forecast on something, they want to create a report of customers, they want to create reports of orders they get, and like if they want to know which from which customer they are getting the maximum orders and which products are getting most sold, so they can use these CRMs. And it can also work as a ticketing tool also. If someone wants to raise a concern, then they can also do it on CRM, and with the help of CRM a business will know that the customer is having any concern, and it is assigned to a particular a staff member of that organization, so that the customer experience would be enhanced. Salesforce is one of the leading CRM right now. It has competitors also. It has competitors like HubSpot CRM, Zoho CRM, Dynamic 365. ServiceNow is also one of the CRM that is in demand right now. So basically, advantages of CRM are like increasing customer satisfaction, increasing team productivity, and nowadays with the help of artificial intelligence, they are just improving themselves to make the business forecast. Like on the basis of current data or previous year's data, they can forecast that which customer is going to buy which product in the upcoming future. The staff members or sales team can pitch them the product. So to check the interest of the user also, like they just use this data. So now, what is Salesforce? Again, Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM that helps businesses managing relationship with customers and streamlining their operations. So as I explained, with the help of CRM, they track and manage the customer informations. So there are different clouds. As as Salesforce have different industries to cater. Like you can see here, there is a list of industries that they cater: consumer goods, education, manufacturing, healthcare, financial. For every industry, they have a particular cloud. Salesforce is designed in such a way that if it doesn't fits the business need, then they can hire a Salesforce developer to alter the system according to the business needs. There are some of the clouds that are available in Salesforce, like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud. Sales Cloud is mostly used for managing sales processes. There is Service Cloud for customer support and case management. If a customer wants to raise a concern, then it will be handled in Service Cloud. If a business wants to manage their marketing campaigns and want to do some automation like sending WhatsApp messages, emails to the customer, then it comes in Marketing Cloud. For e-commerce, they have different solution. For Experience Cloud, like if you want to create a website or something that have a particular access of the user, then Experience Cloud is used to make Salesforce better and like more towards low code platform. Flow builders are there, and even if you want to write custom code, they have a programming language that is known as Apex. So uh, so that was all about Salesforce. So Salesforce follows multi-tenant architecture where an application is serving multiple customers under a one shed. For example, there is a huge data center that is providing each and every user a particular share of resources. Like they have different licenses for that. Salesforce follows multi-tenant architecture. What does that mean? And what are the benefits of that? In a multi-tenant architecture, single application instance is there. They write the code once and that is accessed by all the Salesforce users. And here comes data isolation. Every organization or every Salesforce user will have its own data that ensures the data security. Like there are different layers of data security that we will learn in the future. Like in the upcoming videos, you will learn how Salesforce provide data security on the basis of different on the different levels. Resource sharing is also one of the advantages that multi-tenant architecture have. It makes it very cost effective because there are well performing resources which needs a huge investment, but you can get them at very low cost with a particular fixed plan. And uh, uh, and uh, and it also provides flexibility. So if you want to scale them in future, for example, you have 5 users for now and then you want to expand it to 50 users or 50,000 users, then you have to buy license of Salesforce and you would be allowed to use that accordingly. It also provides customization. So customization in terms of logics, UI, like there are different UI components available like LWC. So I think that Salesforce is now clear to you, and you know what Salesforce is, what is a cloud service. In the next video, we are going to create a organization like we call it Salesforce org, and we will go through the Salesforce user interface, how you can create, how you can manage your data on Salesforce. So to manage the data, you need a organization. For that, you just have to go to salesforce.com and create an organization. For practice, we have developer edition, and for live users, we have different enterprise solutions in Salesforce that comes with a license and some of the restrictions on the basis of the plan that is subscribed. So that's all for now, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for your time. If you think you have gained something from this video, you can just follow us and stay tuned for the next video, in which we are going to explore Salesforce org and different editions of Salesforce. So see you then. Bye bye.